Hi friends, welcome to Audis DevOps. Today we are going to discuss about what is Terraform and how it is going to implemented in AWS. Okay, so this is some basic structure of Terraform implementation, and I have used Ansible also. Infrastructure as a code, we were using Terraform, and as a configuration management tool, we were using Ansible. So we should not confuse both of them. Based on that requirement, we can use Ansible also. Some places we were using, but uh, that it satisfies exactly the infrastructure as a code. The Terraform will provide the necessary support, and also the Ansible will do the proper support for the configuration management tools. Okay, so for that we were having some basic Terraform file. In that we were giving some description to create a service. For example, we can take EC2 instance, Terraform giving instruction to the AWS provider, service provider, to create a EC2 instance. Once the instance was created successfully, the information is sent to the Terraform redirecting the command to the Ansible for furthermore application development and configuration in the particular EC2 instances. So this is the working principle behind that infrastructure as a code and configuration management tool. Based on your requirement, you can plan for the required tool. Okay, so today we are going to see about how to create AWS EC2 instance using Terraform code. So basic requirements. The Terraform will support multiple providers like AWS, Azure. So it supports so many providers, and it is free, so that only it has some good market share, and its configuration is very easy, and we can also learn very quick. And the installation procedure, you can download Terraform from the link where I have given, and from there you need to choose the OS. So I'm using Windows, so I have chosen Windows, and I download the Terraform file, and I keep the Terraform file in system32 folder at C drive. So I can show you some, so that we can access wherever we want. Windows system32 Terraform. So this is a file I have downloaded from that particular Terraform documentation website, and I have keep that particular terraform.exe file over my C drive in system32 folder, so that I can access wherever I want in this system. Okay, so installation is completed. After that, AWS account, I'm thinking that everybody is having free AWS account. So the account, AWS is providing 1 year free trial for the particular services based on that limit. So we can open it. From there, I'm creating one IAM services to create authentication access for the Terraform to create the services in the AWS provider. Okay, we need to create one user account. For that, user must have admin access to do all the activity inside the AWS account. So as a Terraform, as a user, going to perform the activity inside the AWS provider account. Okay, user has a programmatic access, and while we are creating, we will have the user access key that we can use in the Terraform code. Okay, so creating EC2 instance using Terraform. So this is the URL. There we can have the latest code of AWS provider basic required codes. So from there only I'm having that code, and I have prepared the script. We can see the script also. So here I have created the basic script for creating AWS EC2 instances. Before going to the script part, I will show you the how to create user in IAM AWS service. Okay, so already I have created Terraform user. So here I'm once again I'm showing to you example. Add user, give some name for that particular user. I'm giving TRAL trial, and I'm giving access. I already informed access key, programmatic access. Next permission, I'm going to give attach existing policing. So here I'm going to give administrator access. Next, next, and you can create the user. Once you are creating the user, you will have access key ID and secret access key. This the secret access key, it shows only one time while a user is creating. So make a note of it where and keep it very safely, because next time you couldn't see this access key. You can see only access key ID. Okay, copy this both use access key ID and access secret access key. and we can move to the code part. Here for a Terraform, we need to inform that which provider we are going to use. For that, we are using some basic script where it is available. It is available in the Terraform documentation website. Okay. So I have already moved into the AWS provider site. The URL is given in my PPT. You can take it from there. So here, Terraform 0.1.3 and later services, they were using this particular code. So here I have used Terraform and required provider. Here it is mentioned AWS. Okay, so those things are mentioned here. So I have copied this particular code and pasted it already over here. The same code only available here. I didn't change anything. Okay, next to this, I'm giving authentication access. We have multiple methods for the authentication. So a little bit scroll down, you can see static environment variables. We can use some files, environmental files, and we can use that key values to providing the authentication. So here it is a first video of Terraform, so we don't want to make so complicated. Just we will use direct access by using a static credential method. Little bit, if you are scrolling down, we can have the key code for that particular static method. So here it is mentioned provided is AWS. Region is very much important, which region we are using, and access key, secret key, it is given. Okay, so you can copy and paste it over here, and I change the region to as Indian region based on the Indian region because I am currently in India. So that region is over here. I have used Mumbai region, AP South one. So this is the region I am going to use for my further process for creating of EC2 account. So I have changed to Mumbai region. Mumbai is AP South -1. So I have mentioned here AP South -1. This is my region, and the access key and secret key is created or provided by the IAM access while we are creating the account, new account for Terraform access. Okay, so you need to mention correctly, otherwise it creates authentication issue. So we have mentioned to the Terraform that we are going to use AWS provider, and we were giving access to the Terraform for creating the services inside the AWS account. Okay, now only we are moving into the resources what we are going to create inside the provider. This is a very basic video, so we will have only AWS instant create instances, that is EC2 instance. We used to say we can create one EC2 instance in AWS provider. Okay, we don't want to make so much complicated by creating of virtual VNet, those things and all. Just we will create one EC2 instance. Okay, for that we are having some basic code over here. So once the environment variables are over, you can scroll down. So we have so many service related to the AWS account, S3, like that we are having. So based on that requirement, we can choose which service we are going to create. So in the AWS documentation, in below the EC2 documentation, we are having AWS instant. So we are going to create AWS instant. Okay, for that we have example usage. So here they were giving many documentations for the requirements for that particular AWS instant, but we are not going to do, we are not going to use all of them. Just we are going to use which are required code for that EC2 instant. Okay, and if you refer the basic documentation, they used to say that optional, which are all optional, which are all required one. Okay, so AIM is a optional one, this is optional one, so availability zone is optional one. So we no need to provide all the required values for the AWS instant creation. Just we need to provide which is basically need. So those code only we are going to use now. So you can refer this documentation for the detailed explanation. So most of the things are comes under the optional only. So once the instant is created, the Terraform will provide those informations. Okay, so now I'm going to use, yes, resource AWS instant, and that in that instant, while creating which image it need to be used, instant type. So this is the code I'm using in my file. So resource AWS instant and the name, and AMI and instant type. So this is the basic code which is needed for creating of EC2 instance. So we can have a trial in our EC2 instant creation account. So launch instant. Here we need to choose, first thing we need to choose which type of OS we need to have in our EC2 instance. So I'm planning to have Ubuntu server 20.04. For that, the IAM is that image identification number is AMI 056 and AE. Okay, and that location is very much important. For the AP South, they were providing this number. If you're changing the location, means that ID will be changed. ID will be the AMI ID will be changed. So you need to be very cautious while choosing the location. Okay, so you can change and see. Now I'm keeping AP Southeast one, and I'm copying that IAM ID. So you can see same, the number is used here for the image of that AWS instance. And instant type, the next question is, if I'm choosing this instant type, so whatever the type you need, you can choose here. I'm choosing T2 micro because it is a free tier eligible, just a trial process, so that I'm using T2 micro here. Once all are done, we can verify the code which is written in our file is right or not by using Terraform init. So it does the basic requirement of AWS provider plugins by doing Terraform init. So installing and it downloads the plugins which required for particular provider, and once it is successful, we will get this information. After that, we can verify by using Terraform plan. So it shows which is going to create and what are the values it is going to provide. Okay, as a trial, we can see what are the changes it's going to happen in our provider. So like it is going to use IAM image, so it creates AWS instant that web will be created. So this is the image it's going to use, and these are the required optional details which need to be provided if it is needed, or otherwise once the instant is created, we can have those informations. So IPv6 address, key name, monitoring, those things and all optional only. Once it is created, we can see those information. Okay, and now we can go for Terraform apply. Before going to this, two things we need to focus. So as I already said, the location is very much important. If you use different location, IAM image means it will give you the error message, and the authentication is very much important. So make sure that you are created the admin access user and you are provided the correct access key and secret key for creating of accounts. And another one more thing, if you are using Windows machine, the system time is very much important. So once the system time is, if it is not correct, means it produce same authentication issue. So make sure that your system time is updated. So by going into the adjust date and time and updating of system time is first time, if you are using Terraform, means you maybe get some issue over there also. So just by checking your system time, it will be good. If you are getting any error, means you can check that your system time. So I have updated, synchronize your clock, I have updated the system date and time. So because I got that error and I rectified it already, so I'm just informing you. Now we can go with Terraform apply, apply. So it will verify whether the configurations all are okay. Then it will ask you to, it will ask you whether shall we create that account. So there we need to provide yes, Terraform perform the above described above action. So we are giving yes. So your authentication, it will check your authentication. Once authentication is correct, it will go for creating of AWS EC2 instance in your AWS account. Now it is start creating the EC2 instance in my account. It will take around 1 minute. So our account is created. You can see here, one resource added, zero change, zero deleted, that is destroyed. Okay, we can go to our EC2 account. So service EC2, see one instant is running. AP South, and check it is in now. Currently it's installing. Okay, so we successfully created the EC2 instant in AWS account using Terraform infrastructure as a code method. Okay, now we can use Ansible for making any implementation or application deployment using Ansible as already I informed you, configuration management tool. Okay, so for some applications or some requirements we are completely using Ansible for creating application and management also, but this is the correct way to use Terraform and Ansible. So today we have learned, we have created the account, EC2 instant creation, and today we have learned what is Terraform and how to install the Terraform and how to create IAM account user access, and then we have created EC2 instant by using Terraform. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching Adis DevOps. I have updated all my code in GitHub and I have provided the URL in the below description tab. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.